As our organizations have moved from the old style of working to the new modern working environment, our offices need to upgrade that old phone wire to modern VoIP wiring to handle that new internet phone system. We are providers of low voltage cable solutions to help you empower your office. But we're not just those wire gurus, but telephone technicians. We know how it all connects. Atlantic Business Systems, complete providers of low voltage wiring, cameras, door access, networks, and all types of phone systems.
We are Atlantic Business Systems. Call us today or visit us at absofficephones.com. VoIP wiring, phone system repair, office phones, and overhead paging. We are a Solaris partner.